Okay, here's Sarah about to see her braces for the first time. For her.
Oh my god! I've never seen them like that. They look so different. Oh my god.
Very good. Looks beautiful. Let's see. Oh, here. I don't want to get the... Very good. Nice. Your smile is beautiful. What do you think?
Thank you. I love it. I've never seen them this straight. Like, it's been a while since I've seen my teeth. About metal.
It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Looks great. Congratulations, Sarah.
Thank you.